Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can change the canvas color, or some may call it background color, in your Figma project. So let us get started and show you how to do it. It is actually very simple. Head over to Figma and access your web or application interface design or project. So let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. And the canvas is actually what you see in the background, that gray background here. So if you'd like to change the color of it, for example, for better contrast effect here for your project, simply click into that background with your left mouse. After that, here on the right hand side or in that panel, click into design. And under the page, you will see the current background or canvas color, which is this one here in this case. So click into that small square here and select your custom color from that palette here. Like for example, you may go with that slider here, or use a transparency below, adjust the transparency, or adjust it by clicking onto these percents here. So let me go with let's say with a greenish color, just like that. You may also use that color picker here, sample color. Click into it and select, for example, a color from your design. So let me go with that color here, and there you go. As you can see, that's the current canvas or background color, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.